Tennessee Industrial Printing is a commercial print shop here in West Tennessee. We do a lot of work from a commercial standpoint and manufacturing type work.
We do small run jobs all the way up to large run jobs, catalogs, magazines, manuals, postcards, pretty much anything on paper.
Tennessee Industrial Printing continues to invest into the new technology and everything because for years people have been bound and determined that the printing industry is dead. Well, we refuse to believe that from a standpoint that we always feel like it's going to be a demand for printing, but you have to stay on the front end of the technology from the digital side of it, and this investment with the new Komori press that we bought is part of that.
The G40 press has allowed us to make ready faster. It's cut down on our press sheet usage. The LED has allowed us to take sheets off the press and directly into finishing, cutting, folding, moves the project along faster. From a cost standpoint, we're putting less sheets through the press in order to make count on a project. Our pressmen were really excited to get the new press, and going from one Komori to another Komori, the learning curve was pretty seamless. Anything just crazy different.
The capacity with the new press and what it has brought and how it's changed our day-to-day operations, our old way of being busy, or our old thought process of being busy has changed because now we are doing the same amount of work in probably about 30% less time than what we were doing with our older equipment. Then for the customer, the good thing about it is less make ready, less paper, less cost. And so we turn that back to the customer as well, which makes us more attractive to our customers. The thing that I could say about Komori is that, they do what they say and they say what they do. That's been a motto of this company for a long time. And for a company of this large of scale and everything to do that in this day of time is really a rare commodity. So if you're looking for a new press, I would challenge you to look at Komori from a standpoint of their service, their quality, the integrity of the equipment that they provide.